Hello everyone and welcome back to the Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Kali Linux on Windows 11, and this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. Now let me tell you something about Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian based Linux distribution built mainly for cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing, digital forensics and security research. Now many beginners think installing Kali Linux on Windows is going to be complicated, but that is not true anymore. On Windows 11, it is one of the most easiest ways you can get started by using Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL we call it at, and with that you can easily install Kali Linux. This tutorial is especially useful for students, beginners and anyone who wants to start learning Linux, cybersecurity or ethical hacking, and without replacing their main operating system, that is Windows. Now, before I move ahead, here is the agenda of our today's session. First of all, we are going to explore what is Kali Linux. Then we are going to discuss about what are the prerequisites which are required for installation of Kali Linux. Then we will be installing Kali Linux, and after that we are going to explore the Kali Linux UI. Now, before we dive into the session, here is a quick info for you. Simplilearn has got IIT Bangalore AI-powered advanced executive program in cybersecurity. It is India's #1 cybersecurity course. Here you are going to learn how to defend and prevent and also build AI-powered security systems with 100+ guided assignments. You're going to gain exposure with 30+ real-world case studies and 3 capstone projects. You will also defend against cyber threats using 30+ hands-on tools, and there are a lot more things that you are going to explore. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. Now, here's a short quiz to test your knowledge. What is Kali Linux used for? And you have the following options. So guys, mention your answers in the comment section below. Let's get started. So guys, this is the official website of Kali Linux. So what is Kali Linux exactly? So Kali Linux is an open source Debian-based Linux distribution you can consider, where you can get lot of tools which are used for ethical hacking, penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and many more. You could use it for computer forensics, you can use for reverse engineering, and the scope is unlimited actually. So if you see all over here, you can see there is a download button written all over here. So if you want to proceed for installation, you can do that. But before that, I would all suggest you to look up to the official website page and see what are the things available. There are a couple of things given by Kali Linux team, like the documentation, which is very much important if you look into it. What Kali Linux can do to understand that thing is also very much important. So I would suggest you to go and read all those things. Now let's proceed for installation. Now for installing Kali Linux, I would suggest you that you have WSL installed on your system. So if you are using let's say the older versions, so make sure that you have WSL installed. So just type WSL install Windows, and you can see all over here we have the official documentation from the Microsoft team how to install Linux on Windows with WSL. You are going to get this idea. So according to Microsoft, it has been written that if you are using a Windows operating system and you want to utilize the Linux environment, then you need to have Windows Subsystem for Linux installed on your system. Now, what are the prerequisites? So there are nothing more prerequisites. Make sure that your Windows is above 10, and after this what you need to do is type WSL install on your PowerShell. So I'm just going to open my PowerShell, and make sure that you open your PowerShell in the administrator mode. So open this. So it might take some time for the UI to load. So after this, just click this respective command WSL install. And when you do it, your WSL installation will happen. Now after this, the installation of Kali Linux is pretty simple. So first of all, let's say if you want to install on Windows, so you can see all over here, we have installer images, containers using WSLs. So we will access Kali Linux WSL documentation. You can get it from the Microsoft Store, and click on the installer. So you can install the Kali Linux image from here. So this is pretty much interesting. So guys, after installing WSL, what you can do all over here is go to your Microsoft Store, and here you can see, just type Kali Linux on the search bar, and here you are going to see Kali Linux software all over here. Now just install it by clicking it install, and it is going to start your installation process. And after you have installed Kali Linux, so you can see I have already installed it. So it's a very easy process, believe me. Now all over here, next step is go to your command prompt, and after that just type Kali. So when you type this, it is going to start the Kali Linux environment, and you will be in a Linux environment. So you can see all over here, this is a minimal installation of Kali Linux, and you can install supplementary tools also. So let's say, for example, if you want to install, let's say, Nmap, so just type this, install Nmap on Kali Linux. So you can look all over here that sudo apt install nmap will be the respective command. So I can easily install that. So let's see, let's right click all over here, and you can see it is installed with the latest version, which is version 7.94, and it is downloaded from the respective Git repo of it. So in similar way, you can install Nmap, Metasploit, you can install Wireshark, and there are a lot of tools which you can explore all over here. This is the most easiest and the better way to install Kali Linux if you are not installing through disk drive or through USB. This is provided by Microsoft Store, and you can proceed all the hands-on thing which you want to do with Kali Linux all over here. Now this is also a kind of a Linux based environment also. You can try all the Linux command also. For example, let's say if I just want to create a directory, so let's say mkdir databricks, and you can see if I just do ls, so you can see this given directory, databricks directory, is being made. So this is also a place for you to also explore the Linux command in Windows. So this solves two of the major problems all over here, but it's a perfect place for you to get started. So guys, just install WSL and go to Microsoft Store and search for Kali Linux, and then your installation will be complete. So guys, that was all for today's video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's tutorial on Kali Linux. Thank you guys for watching this video.